Everybody, we're going to look up in the air like this and pretend like a baby bird. You're a baby bird and mama bird is feeding you, and you're going to go like this. Anybody doing it? Are you really doing it? Yeah. Now, how many of you feel these neck muscles doing something? So these are your sternocleidomastoid, your SCM muscles, okay? And what happens is when you do this for 10, 15 times a day, these muscles tend to pull back so that, you ever see somebody that looks like they should be on the Thanksgiving table? Because they got that, how many of you are laughing? How many of you are checking? 1, 2, okay, fine, okay. So what's going to happen is when you do these, it's going to make these muscles stronger. See, now I'm looking around the room and everyone's like,